O'Neill with these beautiful trees.
Right, these are the great trees that look good in the winter. You want to have them in your garden, a small garden too. Here's an unbelievable one, a Japanese maple called Bijou. It just, this is a phenomenal tree. The orange, yellow trunk.
Yeah.
The stems turn red during the winter. The beautiful foliage during the summer.
Yeah.
And when it leaves out in the spring, it's brilliant red and then turns green. Just a great looking tree to have in any landscape. Just look at the color of that trunk right there.
Beautiful.
Just unbelievable tree. Japanese maple Bijou. Here's another one called Tsukasa. It's a Japanese name, but it's actually, it sounds a little Latin. Tsukasa, right. This is a, beautiful fall color. Getting that cold right now, 29 degrees.
We don't get changing leaves here.
This one changes leaves reliably. So this is the one unique thing about this Japanese maple. It's very upright. You see, that's not a spreader or a broad. So it stays compact. You can put it in a narrow area. Beautiful green trunk right there. They want a little afternoon shade and some, good moisture in the soil and, a rich soil for growing conditions. But definitely a tree to put in your garden.
I love it.
Here's, for boxwood aficionados, this is a great tree.
Yeah.
This is a boxwood. It gets around 10 feet tall.
Do you have to trim it that way?
No, it just grows this way naturally. It's an unbelievable tree. When things are looking kind of ragged out there, right now in this time of the year, this is evergreen, very easy to grow. Put it in an area where it gets shade. Boxwoods are very shade tolerant and drought tolerant. So this is a great tree. And, Christmas tree lights. How about that?
Love it.
Here's the easiest tree to grow right here. It's a mulberry tree. It's a white mulberry, so it doesn't really make a lot of fruits that stain. But it's contorted mulberry, and you can see each of the branches kind of twist. It's good. You can use it in a floral arrangement. You can put it in any type of dry arrangement you have in the garden or in the house. And just unbelievable structure in the winter. And then the birds like it, and it have beautiful leaves. Every garden ought to have one of these types of trees in there. We got one more over here. We kind of walk over here and show you.
Check it out.
This is the redbud, a weeping redbud. And this dark brown trunk. This is a Texas redbud called the Texas Traveler. So it can take extreme drought, Dallas, Texas. But in the spring, it's going to have these beautiful pink flowers that cover all the branches.
Oh, that'd be gorgeous.
And then dramatic, and then the new green leaves, and then this weeps all the way to the ground. What a tree in the landscape! This is you don't have to have a big landscape. Put it by the doorstep, an uplight on it. These are some great trees that will make any landscape, the next notch up. Bring it up a little bit, as Emerald would say.
Yes, I love it. Thank you so much for help with our Christmas trees, and also thanks for showing us how to protect our plants from this cold that we had.
It's going to get cold.
A couple of weeks ago, how to wrap those plants up. I hope you did.
All right.
Thank you again, Larry.
Thank you.
For more information on gardening or